This is a HOMAGE beat.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Toledo. On today's video, we are going to be fixing one of the issues on my Integra Da9, which was featured on my 5 things that I hate about my Integra Da9 video. And so just a quick little update. The whole vibration situation on the steering wheel, it's gone. About 80% of it to 90% of it is gone. The shaking from first to second and second to third, it's pretty much gone with those mounts that I bought. That pretty much fixed the issue. Pretty much, in my opinion, it's pretty much fixed. But I do think I need an alignment again, and I need to balance my wheels, my front wheels, or maybe all 4 wheels. And I think it'll be 100% gone. So the more mounts did it for me, just letting y'all know. And on today's video, the problem I'm gonna be fixing is the HID situation. Here is the HIDs that I am running on the Integra right now. As you can see, I took one out already. And here's the bulb. Of course, this bulb was not sitting all the way in to the headlight, because this is just like a random bulb. I'm not sure for what car this is specifically, but it was just kind of like sitting on there, but not like tight or nothing like that. So what I did, I bought these $18 LED lights from eBay. They were literally 18 bucks, and here's what they look like. Well, I already installed one, so I could make sure that I'm showing you guys the right way to do it, or what's working for me before I even start recording. So as you can see, I have one left, and here it is, guys. It's a LED light. Let's see, I'll put the link in the description for it, but here is pretty much it right here, part number. And the reason I went with these specifically is because, not because of this situation here, because it's gonna sit in the headlight, no, but because of this. As you can see, this is a 3-prong plug. On my Integra Da9, I didn't have the prongs, but when I went to the junkyard the last time, there was a DA. I'm sorry, I'm sweating really, it's really hot in my truck right now. But I don't want to turn the AC on because then it'll blow onto the phone. But last time I went to the junkyard, I got these here. These are right off of 92, 93 Da9. And as you can see, it's the 3-prong. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to pretty much crimp these to my wires that are existing into the harness of the headlights. And it'll be pretty much a plug-and-play situation with the LED. That way, if these ever go out, I could just buy some of the same ones and just slip it in. Let's see, there we go, slip it in and we're good to go. As you can see, that's like perfect fit. But the only modification that I need to do is I need to remove this rubber band here. Actually, let me twist this off, because this has a twist off insert. So you go like this. It's really hot, guys. I'm in SoCal. It's about, in my truck's probably like 80 to 90. But you take this off here, and pretty much what I need to cut off is this lip that's here. As you can see, it has a lip right here. I need to cut this off, and I need to notch these edges on 2 sides. So I'm gonna notch them, like, for example, like right here. And then this sits pretty much flush into the headlight. And then before you, because of the behind the headlight has a little piece of metal like wire. That wire is gonna hold this whole thing. into place like so. So I'll show you guys right now on the car, and then we'll get to dremeling some of this off, pretty much most of this ring and then the sides. So let's go ahead, let me show you guys what I'm talking about, and then I'll get to dremeling. By the way guys, here is my new Milwaukee ratchet. It's the newest one that just came out. It's the 2567-20. It's the newest, it's the Rapid. So I'm gonna take the headlight off and show you guys. Actually, I forgot, I need to show you guys what I did yesterday. So as you can see, here is my plug. Oh shoot, it's like really tight in there, but it worked perfectly. As you can see, here is the taped up splice that I did, and that's how I pretty much sat the LED bulb in there. You need to be able to clearance that fan because that spins when the lights are on. So I'll show you guys exactly what I'm gonna do to get it to this stage here.
This is a homage beat.
Alright guys, so here is our 3 wires that we're gonna be using. We just need to find out which one's which, etc. As you can see, I have previously loomed these wires, but I'm gonna have to undo all that and start over. As you can see, I had some Tessa tape all over it, so I had to undo some Tessa tape here, and it wasn't that difficult honestly, but now I just need to know which wire goes to where. So that I can install this, but that shouldn't be difficult. Just gotta undo all this loom. Alright, so as you can see, the wires, it's a black, red, blue, and red, white, or red, yeah, I think that's red, white. So this did come off of my Integra specifically a while ago, and I'm gonna go based off these here, and I'm just gonna put it like this, and then put the blue one like this, and then the black's gonna go on the far right, which is yellow, red on this one, and so on and so forth. So let me knock this out real quick. So let's see if it works. Let me get the LED bulb, slide it in. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. Let me know if it works, guys. Ooh, it turned on. Let's hit the high beam, see if that does any difference. Oh shit, the fan's on. I forgot about that. Did that do anything? Alright, so I nailed it on the first try. Let's go ahead and finish this up. Alright, so since that worked, I'm gonna heat shrink it now. Alright guys, just like that. Here's the plug ready to be installed. Here's my other plugs, by the way, for the fog light and then the corner marker. Let's go ahead and finish this up. It looks a lot shitty here right now because I just need to install the headlight and it hides all that. So alright, so now this will just sit here for now. And now we gotta start the cutting with the Dremel. Alright guys, now that we finished the most difficult part, which was the wiring, we are here inside with the headlight. And this is the plastic that's gonna sit in here, but as you can see, it nowhere near fits. So what needs to happen is, like I said, I need to cut this lip that you see there. And I need to shave 2 of the sides. I'm going to be doing that with my Dremel. So let's go ahead and knock this out. There we go. It's flush. Alright guys, just a FYI, I'm not going to physically put a screw in here anymore. Only because I can't find one. And that hole is like kind of stripped. And I don't need one anyways because the fan still spins. As you can see. So I don't need one. Let's go ahead and throw this back on the car.
Homage, homage, homage.
What up, kid?
Alright guys, that's gonna pretty much sum up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That being said, give the video a like, comment down below, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys with the next one.